Hello all. When we discussed about the MQTT protocol, we have mentioned that MQTT broker is something which helps us communicate between the client and the server, or we can say the publisher and the subscriber, right? So what is this MQTT broker, and for a engineer how to understand or try out the different MQTT brokers. So if you want to design your own MQTT, it's very difficult. Okay, so there are free MQTT brokers available which can be used. One of the important MQTT broker is Mosquitto. This is from Eclipse. Okay, so this is actually MQTT server, or basically you can say a broker. Okay, so this apart from Mosquitto, there are other free MQTT brokers like HiveMQ or MQTT or EMQX. So these are some of the other MQTT brokers. In this video, we will see how to use the Mosquitto MQTT broker. Okay, so you see here, this is the page test.mosquitto.org. Okay, now if you go to mosquitto.org and under downloads, you have various options to download the Mosquitto broker and basically you can install it. So for it has options for Windows, Mac, Linux, as well as Raspberry Pi as well. Okay, so now we are trying out on Windows. So click on this depending on your 32-bit or 64-bit and install the Mosquitto broker on your PC. Okay, so once you install the Mosquitto broker, you can actually, so as the Mosquitto MQTT broker is installed, ensure that the path to the Mosquitto broker is included in your environmental variables. While installing itself, it will be included, but just ensure it is present. Okay, now let us try to talk to the use publish and subscript command with the MQTT broker. What we are doing here is we have first opened the command prompt. Okay, and our let us change the directory, okay, of installation. This is the directory of installation, so we are going to change to this. So now we are pointing to the installation where pointing to the folder where the Mosquitto broker is installed, and then let us try to subscribe to the particular topic. So now here we are actually using a client which is subscribing to a topic called temp_humid. Okay, click on it. Now this particular client is listening to this topic. Okay, and if there are any commands, any data that is coming from on particular topic, it will be listening. Now the same thing, just to ensure that we need no type. Okay, we have changed it, and now what we are doing is we are actually trying to publish a data. Okay, so this is one more client which we have opened, and we are actually trying to send, what data are you sending? 30 degrees C. Oh, sorry. Files, Mosquitto. Let us try to copy again. Okay, we are publishing 30 DEGC. Now let us open, and you can see here we have received 30 GEC. Let us try to send again, And you can see here we have received another. Let us try to change 20 DGC, and you can see we have received. So one is a publisher and the other one is a subscriber, and using the Mosquitto MQTT client, we are Mosquitto MQTT broker, we are actually sending data from the publisher to the subscriber. So a simple like experiment to show you, or simple commands that can be used to show you how a MQTT broker operates. MQTT is a, as we have been talking, a lightweight protocol, and this is a simple demonstration of how the Mosquitto broker can be used. Okay, so now we can use our bots to actually use these particular commands, send it to a broker, and then at the subscriber will further receive the data. Okay, hope we have shown you how the Eclipse Mosquitto MQTT broker works.